Welcome to Motor Max, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7. This sleek and powerful machine is ready to take the middleweight sports bike category to new heights. Let's explore everything you need to know about this stunning bike. Design and aesthetics. Yamaha has always been known for crafting bikes that blend performance with beauty, and the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7 is no exception. The R7 carries over the aggressive styling cues from the R1 and R6 but with a distinct, more refined look that's geared toward everyday riders. The sharp lines, aerodynamic bodywork, and sleek LED headlights give the bike a modern, race-inspired appearance. At first glance, the 2025 R7 looks every bit the part of a track-ready machine. The body is compact, with a purposeful crouch that hints at its agility and precision handling. The matte and gloss finishes on the bodywork add to the premium feel, while the color options, including Yamaha's signature blue and the new stealth black, ensure it stands out wherever it goes. Performance and engine. Under the skin, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7 is powered by a 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that's taken directly from Yamaha's MT-07. This engine has received some updates to improve throttle response, low-end torque, and mid-range performance. With a maximum power output of around 73 horsepower and a torque of approximately 67 Nm, the R7 is tuned for both smooth everyday riding and aggressive performance when needed. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox that makes shifting smooth and precise, allowing for seamless transitions through gears. Whether you're on a twisty back road or on the track, this powerplant offers a punchy performance that feels responsive at every turn. The engine's balance of power and weight makes the R7 a versatile and fun ride, equally at home on city streets as it is on a racetrack. Handling and chassis. One of the standout features of the 2025 YZF-R7 is its handling. Yamaha has equipped this bike with a steel trellis frame that provides a solid foundation for cornering and high-speed stability. The chassis is light yet stiff, which helps maintain balance through fast corners while also offering enough flexibility for longer, more comfortable rides. Up front, the R7 comes with fully adjustable 41mm KYB forks, offering improved feedback and customization for riders. The rear is handled by a KYB monoshock, which also offers adjustable preload, giving riders the ability to fine-tune the suspension to suit their needs. This combination of front and rear suspension ensures that the R7 provides a controlled, composed ride, even when the road gets rough or the pace quickens. Additionally, the bike's relatively low curb weight, around 188 kilograms, 414 pounds, ensures excellent maneuverability, making it perfect for both experienced riders and newcomers looking to step up from smaller bikes. Technology and features. In terms of technology, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7 doesn't disappoint. The bike features a digital TFT display that's clear and easy to read, providing all the essential information at a glance, including speed, revs, fuel level, and more. The R7 also comes with a comprehensive ride-by-wire throttle system, which improves throttle control, making it more responsive in various riding conditions. Yamaha has equipped the R7 with a set of advanced electronics, including traction control and multiple ride modes. These features allow riders to adjust the bike's performance based on road conditions or riding style. Whether you're cruising on highways or pushing the bike to its limits on a track day, these features provide confidence and control in any situation. For those who are used to sportier machines, the inclusion of an optional quick shifter adds an extra layer of convenience, enabling smoother and faster gear shifts without having to use the clutch. These modern touches make the R7 a more accessible and enjoyable ride for riders of all skill levels. Braking system. No sports bike is complete without a reliable braking system, and Yamaha has equipped the 2025 YZF-R7 with a pair of powerful 298mm front discs paired with twin-piston calipers. At the rear, a 245mm disc ensures the bike has a balanced and responsive braking performance. The braking system is reinforced with ABS, which provides added confidence in emergency braking situations, especially under slippery or wet conditions. Combined with the R7's lightweight and excellent suspension, the brakes allow for sharp, confident stops, giving riders total control when they need it most. Comfort and ergonomics. While the Yamaha YZF-R7 is undeniably a performance-focused motorcycle, Yamaha has not overlooked comfort. The ergonomics of the R7 are designed to strike a balance between race-inspired positioning and comfort for longer rides. The seat height is relatively low, making it accessible to a wide range of riders, while the handlebars are set in a slightly aggressive but still comfortable position, providing a good mix of control and comfort. The foot pegs are positioned for sportier riding, but the overall seating position is less extreme than the R1, making it more suitable for daily commuting and weekend rides. Yamaha has worked hard to ensure that the R7 doesn't just perform well on the track but is also comfortable enough for everyday use. Price and conclusion. As for the price, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7 comes in as a competitive offering in the middleweight sports bike market. It's priced to appeal to a range of riders, from those looking to step up to their first big bike to experienced enthusiasts seeking a machine that offers both performance and practicality. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7 is a bike that checks all the boxes. It offers impressive performance, sharp handling, modern tech features, and an aggressive design, all at a competitive price point. Whether you're a track enthusiast or someone who enjoys spirited rides on the weekend, the R7 is a well-rounded and exciting machine. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to MotorMax for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Until next time, ride safe and stay revved up.